what's going on, everybody? This is part 2 of my Wizarding World, the Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment Transfiguration Class book. Alright, so far, what have we put together? We've got Professor McGonagall, Ron Weasley, book, woo, potions, and Ron's pet rat, and a treasure chest full of treasures. I got myself some focus tea again, and we got a bookshelf, and we're ready to go put together bookshelf number 2. Alright, so this is part 2 of Tea and Legos. Bring that tea to me. Why, thank you. Thank you very much. How are we all doing today? Good? Good. Alright. Here we go with bookshelf number 2. So we got this piece here. And this piece. And we're going to stick it on here. Alright, then we got to find another piece like this one. And there it is. Then we've got to find this little piece here. And there we go. Got that part put together. We got this piece here. So, and I'll try to do the sticker straight this time. A little chopboard. What does it say? It says googly moogly boogly dooglies. Yeah. Frog into a goblet turns into a math thing that equals this and that. I don't know. Alright. Cool. It's straight. Yay! And this little piece right here. Okay, so next we're going to make a little table here. Alright, so I'm going to try to talk loud over the background noise here. And put together this little table. There we go. Got the first part done here. Now, find these little pieces. Trying to make the sound effects, of course, you know. Alright, we got like a bench, and then it looks like we're going to be making some chairs. Alright. 2 little circle pieces. And squares. There we go. Let's see. There it is. Here we go. Okay. Stick these little benches over here with that table. And what is next? Well, we got the book. Let's see. I'm gonna start putting the book together. Yay! So we take this piece here and this piece and Gonna, how are we doing this? Stick it right in the middle. Cool, like so. Okay. Then, oh, I see how it's going to go together. Nice. There we go. And like so. And stick these here. So amazing to me how you can just take Legos and make certain things. Alright, there we go. Now we got the book binder there, or the spine. And we're gonna, ooh, we get to do more stickers. Nice. Okay. Hang on. Alright, so we got the little cup here. And goes like so. Nice. Alrighty. Take this. Whoops. I'm laughing. What is... let's see. Something keeps knocking and I don't know what it is. And one more. Alright. And get a yellow piece here. Ooh, we're almost done with bag number 1. Nicey nice. Oh, cool. Now we're going to do the books. So, let's see what keeps knocking. So, we'll take this corner here and stick it like so. Alright, there's that one part, and you take it and you stick it like this. Ooh, we're getting the book going. Nice, cool. That's how it's looking so far. What's next? And you take this, stick these on this side. Make it look pretty with the embellishments. And just stick it like this. Nice. And we got the outside of the book. Cool. Alright, so it looks like we're going to be putting some stickers on. Yeah, let's flip this around. Alright. Get some windows going here. Whoops, crooked. No, don't stick. It's all right. There we go. It's one. Two. Three. Ooh, it's looking good. I like it. And the last sticker. There we go. We got the wall. And we've got the book. And then in the next video, we'll be doing bag number 2. And we'll be looking for Hermione. All right, you guys. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.